Hello everybody, I'm Deacon, and today we're going to be playing some Subnautica Experimental Mode. I say experimental mode, because I finally found out how to get it onto experimental mode. It's simple, I'll show you how to do it later in another video. Science Special. This is it right on the Auroras. Okay. Nothing's changed. Really
Blueprint acquired.
So
Weapons were removed from standard survival blueprints
except for this,
following the massacre on Abraxas Prime. As
been
an
there,
essential survival tool for 2.5 million years, the knife remains the only exception. Sorry about that.
Okay, let's see.
The Aurora suffered catastrophic hull failure. Cause unknown. 0 human life signs detected in 100-meter range.
I'm also gonna show you guys how to get it onto via console commands. So what you do, you press F3 on your keyboard, then you press F8 so you have a cursor. You go up here to disable console, click it to where it's not like that, and then you click get out, and then you press enter.
Environment, uncharted, ocean planet, oxygen nitrogen atmosphere, water contamination, high.
She really interrupted me. To do a biome, you type in biome. For a list of biomes, you just press enter again. But since I know where we're going, revert. You just do it instantaneously. And then to spawn something in, you just type in spawn, and that's it. So it's really simple. Now, the reason I'm here is because there's some stuff where I gotta get some item precursor ion crystal 210. Just for good measures. Okay. And some frozen raspberries right now. Really good. I think we should try some sometime. As always, we got the dead mama dragon. She came all the way over here to me, so I don't know why. And I already showed you this in the last update video that I made. Whoa, okay. That was weird.
This alien structure appears to have collapsed to the sea floor. Cause unknown. Computing theories.
Okay, thank you. I didn't need it.
Detecting an alien broadcast. Linguistic analysis reads, caution, hazardous materials and life forms contained within.
Okay, so something I've been messing around, and something strange happens when you go inside here. It sort of sets off a trigger for the
in this section
mysterious
are substantially reinforced, indicating the designers were seeking either to keep something out or contain it within. Whatever their intention, it clearly failed.
Okay, yeah. We're not here for the data logs or anything. What we're here for, just listen. Okay. I'm a human. But anyways, that was the Sea Emperor. And that'd be crazy if you heard it. If you have to be, you have to go through that door, and then it sets off, a trigger for 20 minutes. You could be either outside up in the surface, or still down here.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Anyway, it's not my problem. Okay, now the next one is in the what's it called? It's in the inactive lava zone where the primary energy base. I don't know what it's called. I'm calling it the energy base. Oh, thermal plant. Yeah, that's where it is. I'm gonna just go speed it up to 4. Because this thing is freaking slow. I know I really shouldn't be eating during the video because this sounds weird. Traveling faster than the speed of light. Yeah, faster than the speed of light. Okay, this video is gonna be longer than the other ones. Also, I forgot to mention in the first part, this video is going to contain spoilers. Oh look, we have them. Speed 1. Okay. Now, let's get back to business. So I've been doing there he is, boys. I've gotten into a habit of making my voice high-pitched, so you might hear me fluctuate in voice changes because I'm trying to stop. I'm trying to stop making myself high-pitched. Okay, get out of here. Also, there are some eggs. He's a lava lizard, the ones that are down here. Okay, is this the place? I think this is the way. Yes, it is. Yay. We're a couple steps closer. Here we go. On the wrong side. Stupid. Okay, let's go. Okay. This place also, you can check it out for yourself. It's gonna contain, this is gonna contain a massive amount of spoilers. I'm gonna put that on the side. Okay, now day.
We'll show the way.
The dialogue and what she's saying. The dialogue and what she is saying are mixed up, so. Come at me, boy. Yeah. Now, this one I've been waiting for a long time. And this is the last one that we're gonna hear. And you might be able to guess it. You might be able to guess where it is. And we're just gonna say, okay, you guessed it. It's at Primary containment facility. Where did that come out of? Snap, I get so lost in this place. It's like a maze. Why can't they just have one tunnel? Also, if you look up precursor, Subnautica precursors, so weird. Oh snap, okay, he's actually right there.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
He's actually right there. Okay, he can go away now. But this is the moment I've been waiting for. This is the whole reason I got the game. It's just to see the development of it and how it's becoming so popular as a game. Also to play it and beat it. I mean, that's the whole purpose of games, is to beat it. Some games where the campaign is short, you just play multiplayer and stuff, but nope, this one's not. And there you go. It's complete formed. Okay, we're gonna have to try to dodge you. I'm gonna swap to do that. But I think this one goes instant. Oh, it sees me. Get out of here.
Am what you seek. Want to help you.
So creepy if you don't know what it is. Really? Really? Okay. Well, the cheat to unlock this thing is unlock doors. And there we go. We have this big thing, which is, oh my gosh. Oh. And this thing just generates this stuff. Oh, so cool. And we have a bunch of stuff to look at. Oh yeah, they're here. Okay, I should get a scanner. Forgot. Scanner. Oh yeah. Get out of here. No, I don't want any of this. I don't want it. I don't want it. Get it out of here. I don't know how to get it away from me. Okay, anyway, we'll go do that last. We'll go do all the other stuff last. I'm here for the big stuff. Translating local alien broadcast warning. Vaccine development program terminated. Emperor Edge hatching project terminated. Last specimens terminated. Evacuate. Wait, let's jump in. Where is it? Hello? Oh. It makes noise now.
Are you here to play? The others came but played alone. They bored me. Now they're gone. And instead, I have you.
So, everyone, welcome to the full size of the Sea Emperor. Leviathan. Get the little eggs. Get the place where they're gonna go away. Now. Detecting unusually passive behavior patterns in nearby bird. Come on. Come on. Okay. Oh. Oh snap. Oh snap. Yeah, that part has to be fixed. Yeah, I'm a hot shell baby. I brought this because I knew this was gonna be here. Pop that in right there. And then it's gonna go right here of the transitions. What? And it even has the animations for it. It's just really cool. I love this. I got the idea from IGP. So you want me to do this?
You gave me what I asked for.
You didn't
I
ask
give
anything.
you what you seek. My young cannot be forced from their shells. They must be coaxed. This is what the others could not see. I give you this secret willingly. I hope I will not be disappointed again.
That's the most open thread I've ever heard. She's big. Okay. Now. Okay, that's weird. And of course, she still doesn't go into the same place. But she will. Oh, hatching enzymes. Okay. Enzymes. There we go. Okay, now this is cute. Look, they just. They're so cute. And then this part's weird, kind of.
My young are swimming for the shallows. I thank you. Their freedom is my end. Perhaps next we meet, I will be an ocean current. I will carry seeds to new lands, or a creature so small it sees the gaps between the grains of sand. Farewell, friend.
That's kind of sad. Again, we haven't been with her that long. But I think that's the voice of Halsey from Halo. So, yeah. Come here, boy. You're gonna swim through that portal and you're gonna like it. Okay, he doesn't swim through. Okay, wow. That goes to the, forget what it's called. Oh, I remember it now. I just had a big brain fart. That goes to the front of the precursor array. You know that place? Yeah, that goes there. Leap out like a dolphin. That always works. Always use that tactic. Now,
The handheld spectroscope scanner can be used to synthesize blueprints from salvaged technology and to record alien biological data.
Good for you. Okay. I need to stop doing that. And of course, has to cycle through first. Unlock doors. Why did I put an E? Okay, you guys could do that yourselves. Okay. Emperor product data. This device records data from the primary research specimen at this facility. According to the logs, an indigenous life form referred to as the Emperor specimen was found to produce a unique substance they referred to as enzyme 42, which inhibited these symptoms of the infection in other indigenous organisms. The specimen was captured and contained here. In addition to the eggs, it was found guarded. The alien researchers went to great lengths to provide for the life form's environmental needs, including the import of interdependent flora and fauna via an on-site warp gate. However, its health quickly began to deteriorate. At the time of the bacteria outbreak and resulting quarantine, all attempts to develop the enzyme into a vaccine had been unsuccessful. That's pretty good to know. Okay, let's do you. You look cool. I'm gonna do you. Okay, get away from it. Despite its simple design, this device contained enough potential energy to destroy the entire planet and most of the solar system. Wow. Fortunately, it malfunctioned. Fine, I'll do you. Okay, let's see. Marking on this device seem to serve no purpose beyond decoration. It may be the alien equivalent of a lamp or a magnifying glass used to examine the other relics in more detail. Yeah, this was just a magnifying glass. This one, it can explode the whole universe. Reliquary. Okay, let's see. Did you just see the thing fall? Okay, it must have climbed up there, realized that it can't climb above walls and then fell. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. This case contains highly sophisticated nanobots capable of infiltrating a foreign body and deconstructing it from the inside out. I don't see anything. God, stop it! Get away! Maybe get a knife out. Should have put that too. Okay. Anyway. This alien device appears to be designed to eliminate all organic substances in range by emitting a lethal but contained radioactive field. This emits a radioactive field. I don't see that. Looks like this one's in a casing. Okay, let's see. It is unclear why technology of this sophistication has not been found elsewhere on the planet. Its production may have been restricted or too costly, or it may have been pillaged from a more ancient civilization. What are you? You look like a rock. This rock-like material, I told you it was rock, features biomechanical parts that match components identified in warpers encountered on 4546b. Materials such as this may even be a fundamental building block of the alien's own self-repairing system mechanisms. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Oh no, I can't read. I can read fine, but some words, no. Okay, yeah, that just did that. Whatever that was. Okay, this is Earth. This is what Earth is. Obviously, it's a sword. I wonder what that is. Anyway, we'll get to it. This ancient earth blade dated back to the 13th century Mongolian Empire. Blood samples on the blade match the DNA of 7 separate heads. The state from the period. Yeah, this video's way long. I won't cut any out. This case is composed of an impregnable translucent metal at the distant end of the periodic table. Scans do not reveal any contents. Then how do you know it's there? I'd like to know that. I wonder if anyone will watch this far. This device is a rudimentary version of the keys used to access these facilities. It may have been kept here for symbolic purposes or legacy support. Time to do I don't know. This device is some sort of communications relay, apparently projecting the presence of the user to a remote location. There do not seem to be any other devices in range. Okay. Let's see. This weapon appears to be millions of years old. That doesn't look millions of years old. That looks like from Earth millions of years into the future. But anyway, and matches no previously encountered technologies. Yang yang, boys, we got China up in this crap. Shiz, whatever you'd like to call it. I can't say bad words. This carving is hundreds of thousands years old and made from an unrecognized natural fiber, likely grown on an as yet undiscovered planet. I got the words in my head. I didn't know what to say. Warp gate. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Please tell me this is the pipe systems. Yes! Wow. I'm lucky. I got that first try. Okay, let's see. This machinery is pumping water to and from the attached pipe network. Outflow oxygen deprived water is being flooded from the system. Inflow analysis of the water composition flowing in indicates it is being drawn from different biomes between here and the surface of the planet. The water temperature is considerably lower than the volcanic environment outside the facility and oxygen rich. Alien pipe. Sorry, it just looks like a normal pipe. But it didn't work still. These inflow pipes are being used by peepers. Oh, so it's a peeper thing to access. Huh? What was that? Anyway, to access the otherwise isolated facility. Peeper behavior elsewhere on the planet suggests they are not being sucked in by accident, but rather have evolved to actively seek out the correct access points. These specimens scanned have all consumed high quantities of seeds from the surface world. Specimens show different levels of bacteria symptoms. I think I might be able to get up here. It's down here. What is down here? Oh, it's just down there. Okay. Down there. Oh, those are red. That's new. Okay, let's see. Why do I have to scan more pipes? I don't want to scan it. Where is it? Okay, peepers exiting the facility via pipe network. These outflow pipes are transporting peepers out of the facility back towards the surface. All specimens scanned are carrying the enzyme which inhibits bacterial growth and helps the body repair the symptoms of the infection. Stomach cavities are all empty. What is that doing? Stop it. Whatever that is. Just stop. Is that there? I guess this is gonna be where all the dead people go, I guess. I'm not sure if anyone's gonna watch this far. Warp gate, oh my gosh. So much warp gates. Time to granny jog all the way over there. I'll at least put running into this. This ain't running. That's walking. This is jogging. They need to put running. I need to make double tap W jogging and then sprint. The heck? Okay. Another warp gate. No one likes warp gates. Unless you want to go somewhere. These precursors really do like warping. Other places. I'm just getting it and leaving. Okay, that looks scary now. That looks scary now. So it's an unfinished room. What are these? Oh, these are egg casings. Okay, anyway. It's Emperor Egg Hatching Project data. This device records all available physical data from a single point in time. The last recorded data set was captured just after quarantine was imposed on the facility. Specimen data. The main containment chamber were housed a sea emperor leviathan and its eggs. The parent leviathan's health had deteriorated. Its eggs appeared to be in good condition, but in some form of natural stasis. Alien structures. The data shows that within the vast specimen containment unit and incubation systems, an incubation system had been constructed to house the leviathan's eggs. Likely the alien researchers had refocused their efforts to develop a vaccine on the unborn infants. The incubation system suggests they had resorted to developing artificial hatching enzymes which would simulate the natural hatching environment. When quarantine was imposed, all warp gates and access points to the facility were sealed. Analysis. While the unborn emperor specimens may have held some potential for the development of a vaccine, it is highly unlikely the parent or the children survived having their food supply cut off and being isolated from the rest of the ecosystem. I'm pretty sure they're still alive because we went in there and checked. So, and then we still have to go up there. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. No one's gonna watch this. It's already 34 minutes long. No one's gonna watch it. Warp gate. They really do love their warping system. I think they're showing off. It's very rude. They're showing off their warping skills. It's very unbecoming of a civilization so high. Okay, that's gross. Leviathan egg casing. Okay, let's see. Shell composition. The shell casing is formed from thick layers of a carbon composite, suggesting an extensive gestation period. This leviathan species may give birth just once per century, perhaps just once in their lifetimes. Shell casing incisions. Precise incisions suggest a laser-based tool was used to cut open the egg casing and forcibly remove the fetus inside prior to full gestation. Fetus is not a bad word. Analysis. Time pressure to develop a bacterial vaccine may have driven the alien researchers to cut open this egg and remove the fetus for study. It is also possible that removed from its parent and natural habitat, some vital condition for the infant to hatch naturally was not met. This is where the little baby sea emperor is going to be. I'll dissect it up and ready to go. Those don't look precise. Just saying. Well, thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys can join me in the next video, and I will see you later. Bye. Bye.